For accurate weather forecast and live news, subscribe to our Skymet Weather YouTube channel. Press the bell icon and do not miss on any of our weather news.
Hi, this is Ankita Gautam and you're watching Pan India Weather Update and Forecast. Let's quickly have a look at how weather treated entire country during the last 24 hours. Let's begin with North India, where rains have been quite generous during the last 24 hours. Good rainfall activities were of mainly light intensity were witnessed over Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Talking about Northwest India, where some parts of Punjab, Haryana as well as a few parts of Uttar Pradesh, adjoining Uttar Pradesh received light isolated rainfall activities. Now let us talk about East India, where rains remained confined to West Bengal. Meanwhile, Bihar, Jharkhand, rest parts of Chhattisgarh and Odisha remained mainly dry. Talking about Northeast India, where rains remained confined over the northern states like Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, and a few rains were witnessed over Sikkim as well. Talking about Central India, rains remained confined over East Madhya Pradesh and southern parts of Chhattisgarh. Meanwhile, rest parts of Maharashtra and Gujarat remained mainly dry during the last 24 hours. Talking about South India, where rains were witnessed over almost entire southern peninsula except for Andhra Pradesh. Here, Telangana, Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu received good rainfall activities of mainly isolated light intensity. Let us now closely have a look at how weather is going to treat entire country during the upcoming 24 hours. Let's begin with North India, where rain status is going to remain almost the same over the hilly regions of Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and Ladakh. Light rainfall is likely to continue over here. Talking about Northwest India, where almost dry weather is being forecast for Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan as well as Uttar Pradesh and Delhi NCR. Clouding will however increase over all these states during the next 24 hours. Talking about Central India, West Bengal will now be joined by Odisha as well in terms of rain. Otherwise, Bihar, Jharkhand and rest parts of East India are likely to remain dry. Rain status is going to change in Northeast India. Now entire Northeast India, the entire region is likely to witness good rainfall activities. Majorly, Arunachal Pradesh and Assam are likely to witness good rainfall. Talking about Central India, where Chhattisgarh and Vidarbha are likely to receive good rainfall activities during the upcoming 24 hours. Meanwhile, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat is likely to remain mainly dry. Talking about Central India, no change in rain status over here. Andhra Pradesh will continue to remain dry. Meanwhile, Telangana, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka are likely to receive good rainfall activities. So this was all for the video. Keep watching Skymet Weather.
Keep your family healthy by downloading Skymet AQI app and tracking air pollution of your location in real time.